cycle of an animal is the journey from the start of its life all the way to the end of its life, or to the point where the animal has babies and new life is formed. In this video, we will look at the life cycle of insects, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Insect life cycle. First, the insect lays eggs. Larva is an immature form of an insect. It hatches from the eggs. Larva then becomes a pupa and it changes into an adult insect. For example, a butterfly. First, the butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. Inside the eggs, caterpillars begin to grow. When the caterpillar is large enough, it leaves the egg by eating it. Now, the caterpillar has fully grown, it forms itself into a pupa. This is a type of vessel in which the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Once the butterfly is ready, the pupa splits open and the butterfly leaves and flies away. Amphibian life cycle. First, eggs are laid in the water. The amphibian begins to develop in the eggs. The amphibian hatches from the eggs and continues to grow and adapt in the water until they are adults. For example, a frog. First, an adult frog lays hundreds of tiny eggs in the water. A tadpole begins to form in the egg. After a few weeks, the tadpole hatches. The tadpole does not have any legs yet, so after a few weeks, they grow their back legs and then their front legs. Its tail shrinks away and the baby frog emerges out of the water. The baby frog continues to grow into an adult frog. Bird life cycle. First, the bird lays eggs in a nest. The baby bird develops in the egg. Once it has developed, it will begin to crack the egg in order to get out of it. The chick continues to grow until adulthood. For example, a chicken. So first, the chicken lays an egg. The chick inside the egg begins to grow. Once it has fully developed, it cracks the egg open and gets out of it. Mammal life cycle. This takes place inside the body of a female. A fertilized egg develops into an embryo and then a fetus. The female then gives birth to the baby. A human baby then goes through the life stages of childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and then old age.